one earth, one family, one future. Today, with the climate change actions that we see, it does not matter that Sweden produces green steel and I produce black steel. The world is going to be the same. The floods in Sweden will be coming because I produce something in India.
Very important point here.
So I will draw it to a philosophy of G20 philosophy that our government also preferred, where we said one earth, one family, one future. It is very true today. There is only one earth. What you do in Africa, what you do in India, what you do in US does not matter. The earth is going to get affected and you are one family. So there can only be one common future. You cannot say that somebody is white, somebody is black, somebody is brown. No distinction, because the floods and the climate change will affect everybody the same way. That is why this is a time when we need to get together. There will be costs to it. When we look at our technological advancement, how do we make greener steel, there are extra costs. But then there has the consumers also are coming up and saying we are ready to pay this extra cost because we also want a greener future. We also want the world to be sustainable. So as I said, we all have to all the time remember there is only one earth. We all are one family. So there is only one future. We all need to contribute.